Okay, so I got another unboxing video. Stopped by Canadian Tire today to buy a couple of things. And we got the Razor Light from Outdoor Edge. Really cool folding. It's a really cool folding skinning knife with replaceable razor blades, but it has the knife like a normal folding knife, great for skinning because it's razor blades. It comes with 6 replaceable razor blades, which is just epic. And also a game camera for $50 with night vision. That's pretty epic. Let's open it up. So it's just a normal game camera. Looks waterproof. Comes with batteries. I guess the settings for like the frequency of the photos and stuff. But for $50, it's pretty epic.